Good afternoon, children of class 6. Welcome back to your SST class. Today we are going to discuss a new lesson, major landforms of the earth. Children, what is landform? Landform means the type of land where we are living or sustaining our life. Earth is a huge ball that is consisting of different types of landforms like plains, plateaus, then there are hills, mountains, tableland, and so other forms. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the different landforms of Earth. So without wasting our time, let's start and see what's there in this lesson. The surface of the Earth is not the same everywhere. We all know that. Some places are elevated while some are flat. Elevated, down. Elevator means, in some places you must have seen that elevator means something that makes you go up or down. That is elevator. It can be called, in other words, stair. ठीक है? Moving stair. That is an elevator. Together, these variations constitute landforms of Earth. The major landforms of Earth are mountains, plateaus, and plains. So, what did we see? That there are three major landforms of Earth: mountains, plateaus, and plains. Let's repeat: mountains, plateaus, and plains. Normally, life is found in maximum amount in this plain area, because in mountain areas life becomes hard to persist. So people prefer to live in plain areas, but in mountainous areas also we can see people residing like Darjeeling, Shimla, then Kulu, then your what else you can say? Kashiang, Kalimpong. In these areas, people resist or reside, but in a very less amount. Okay. These landforms are well created over millions and millions of years ago. It's not that we have created that, it's a natural formation. So, there are mainly two types of forces of earth that create these forms. Now, you people can have a question in your mind that how do these landforms are creating? It's not that human beings are creating. এরকম তো হতে পারে না that we can create a hill, we can create a plateau, or we can create a plain land. This is not possible. So how these landforms are created? These landforms are created by the um, forces. Forces মানে হচ্ছে pressure. By the pressure of earth. Now, these forces are mainly of two types: external and internal. External forces and internal forces. External forces যেগুলো বাইরে থেকে প্রেসার ক্রিয়েট করছে, that is external forces, and internal forces that is from inside the earth, যেটা we cannot see but in some cases we can feel, like earthquake. Earthquake is an internal force. Oh, internal force are also called endogenic forces, and the crust of the earth is composed of many large solid plates. Now I'm going to discuss with you about the internal or endogenic forces. Internal forces are called endogenic forces and external forces are called exogenic forces. What did I say? Internal forces are called endogenic forces and external forces are called exogenic forces. Now we will discuss about endogenic forces or internal forces in other words. The crust of the earth is composed of many large solid plates that float on semi-liquid layer of magma. Magma হচ্ছে hot material. When volcanic eruptions take place, then this magma comes out from the earth. These plates are known as tectonic plates. এগুলো এরকম করে থাকে. They are floating, but their level is same. ঠিক আছে? These plates, they keep on floating. They are constantly moving, but we do not feel their movement because they are very slow. সেভাবে ভাবতে গেলে আর্থ ইজ অলসো রিভলভিং, সবসময় আর্থ ঘুরছে, কিন্তু আমরা বুঝতে পারি না। ওয়াই? বিকজ আর্থ ইজ ভেরি স্লোলি ইটস মুভিং। ইফ ইট হ্যাড বিন ইন আ হিউজ ফর্ম, দেন we would also have moved like that. Then the life would hardly be persist. So that's why Earth is moving in a very slow way. And in same way, these tectonic plates are also moving. But when their motion becomes high, then we can understand that. Okay. These movements cause the crust to be pushed up in places. A movement is jonno, the crust of the earth, the top layer of the earth, it is pushed opor dike, pushed up and in sync in some other places. And as because of this movement only, the crust, the top layer of the earth sinks, kukre jay, expanded, sinks, uchu hoye jay, it rises up, sink, bhetor dike dhuke jay, expanded, rises up, sink, ভেতর দিকে ঢুকে যায়। So the matter becomes expanded, sink, expanded, sink. তো যেখানটা expand হচ্ছে, it is becoming high, যেখানটা sink হচ্ছে, it is becoming low. Did you understand? Okay. They give rise to different landforms such as fold mountains. You see, fold mountains happen like this. These are the two, this is the landform, suppose. This is the landform. Now pressure is coming. দুদিক দিয়ে প্রেশার আসছে, দেখো। You push your two hands like this, push, 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 you see it is rising up and it is forming a mountain. আবার দেখো, এরকম করে হাতটা রাখো। Now push your right hand towards left and push your left hand towards right. Push, 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 it is going up. This is called fold mountains. In this way, fold mountains take place. Okay, এটা দেখো প্লেন ল্যান্ডমাস ফোল্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে না, দ্যাটস ওয়াই দিস আর কল্ড fold mountains. Block mountains and rift valleys. Block mountains means suddenly a place goes up. কোনো দুটো রাস্তার মাঝখানে খানিকটা জায়গা যদি এরকম উঁচু হয়ে যায়, তাহলে what will happen? They are blocking the road. They are the block mountains. চৌকো, their top is block. একটা ব্লকের মতন চৌকো থাকে, লাইক block mountains. These are the block mountains. You see, chauko, the top is square. These are the block mountains. And as I told you, these are the wave-like folding mountains. They are pushing and this part is raising up. This part is raising up. You can see. ঠিক আছে না? So these are the fold mountains. And rift valleys. রিফট ভ্যালিজ হচ্ছে এই যে দুটো দিকের ঢাল, মাঝখান দিয়ে দুটো মাউন্টেনের মাঝখান দিয়ে যে রাস্তাটা, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য রিফট ভ্যালি। ওকে, সো দিজ আর দ্য ইন্টারনাল ফোর্সেস। তাহলে ডিউ টু ইন্টারনাল ফোর্সেস হোয়াট উই আর গেটিং fold mountains, block mountains and rift valleys. So what is the result of endogenic forces or internal forces? They are giving us fold mountains, block mountains and rift valleys. Next comes external or exogenic forces. Now, exogenic forces. Forces that act on the surface of the earth are known as exogenic. মানে আর্থের ক্রাস্টের ওপরে যে ফোর্সগুলো এফেক্ট করছে, that is exogenic forces. External forces include river, waves, ice, wind. They change the landscape of the earth by eroding materials. Eroding মানে ধুয়ে ফেলা। You see, when there is huge storm, then the upper layer of the earth, that is the soil, that rushes out from one place to another and gets stagnated in water, in the lower bed of the water. For that, the level of the water rises up, and as soon as it rises up, it results to flood. A very good example I am giving you. Take a glass of water. ঠিক আছে, take a glass of water. এতটা মতন ফাঁকা রেখে দাও, এতটা খালি রেখে দাও. If you leave this part and put some ice cubes in that, or leave it, no need to take ice cubes. Take some soil. মাটি তো সবার বাড়ির আশেপাশে কিছু কোথাও না কোথাও তো মাটি, you will definitely get it. So take some soil and put it inside the glass. গ্লাসের ওই জলের মধ্যে throw some water. ওই মাটিটাকে soil. You will see that the level of the water, if the water is over here, then the level of the water will slowly rise. Fill up soil till the water overflows. The more you will fill up the soil, the more the water will rise up. And a time will come, it will overflow the glass. Why does this happen? Because the soil which you are putting inside the water, that is taking the space, putting inside the glass, that is taking the space of the water. যেই মাটিটা তলায় চলে যাচ্ছে, ওয়াটার নিজের জায়গা থেকে রাইজ আপ করে যাচ্ছে, ওখানে মাটি চলে যাচ্ছে, আবার আরও মাটি যাচ্ছে, আবার খানিকটা ওয়াটারও অ্যাবজর্ব করে নিচ্ছে, তাহলে ওয়াটারের লেভেলটা উঁচু হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আবার মাটি যাচ্ছে, আবার মাটি যাচ্ছে. সো হোয়াট ইজ ইট হ্যাপেনিং? দ্য লেয়ার অফ দ্য ওয়াটার ইজ rising up, and a time will come, it will overflow the glass. And this is how floods take place. Did you understand that? This is erosion. Erosion মানে হচ্ছে উপরের লেয়ারটাকে ধুয়ে ফেলে দেওয়া, remove. Eroding materials from one place and transporting and depositing them elsewhere. Depositing, জমা হয়ে যাচ্ছে, that is transporting, moving from one place to another. In the process, they give rise to new landforms such as river valleys, flood plains, beaches. Just now I told you, this is the way how beaches are formed. Continuously erosion of sand from one place to another brought out by the winds and storms and getting it deposited on the seabeds, that is creating the beach. Okay, so internal forces and external forces, I believe everything is clear. Now let's shift to another landform, that is mountain. Now what is mountain? Mountain, we all know, it's a pretty high area. Land rises up, and there people are residing in some places, and when it is extremely cold, then people cannot reside rather. Okay, so just go through internal and external forces, and then come to the mountains. The mountains are of three types mainly. Three types of mountains we are getting. Number 1, fold mountains. Number 2, block mountains. Number 3, volcanic mountains. Let's repeat: fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Now, mountains, their importance, how do they form, this I'll discuss in my next session. I'll be back with you very soon. Okay, by that time, just go through this part and please try to understand what has been tried to explain in this lesson. Okay, till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.